Jinan Quick CNC Router Company Limited locates in Jinan, a beautiful city in Shandong Province, China. Our company was established in the year 2006. We specialize in CNC routers, including wood door CNC router, CNC machining center, and CNC router. Our company is devoted in the research and development of carving CAD, CAM technology, and CNC technology. Quick branded CNC router have obtained remarkable achievements in the design of precise carving machine, as well as artistic carving technology. We have realized industrialization of the computerized numerical control technology. Series of quick CNC engraving machines are widely marketed in 60 countries, within 4 biggest markets in Russia, USA, India, and Mid-Asia. The whole markets region in Europe, Asia, America, and Africa. And we have established a leading position in the carving machine field. After 6 years of rapid development, our routers have already covered advertisement decoration, marketing, label industry, woodworking, mold manufacturing, as well as crafts and gifts fields. We are still trying our best to produce innovative products to help customers lower their costs and increase their returns. If you are interested in our products, please don't hesitate to contact us for future cooperation. We hope to get a mutual benefit with you in the near future.